Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this soft, sculpted glam look that you've all been asking for. It's not full glam, but it's definitely giving clean, glowy, and effortlessly snatched. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Let's get into it. First things first, prep your skin with a moisturizer and a face mist. Then, put on some gray contact lens. Use a dewy and hydrating foundation so the cream products layer on smoothly. This look is all about sculpting. It's kind of like 3D modeling for your face, so contour and highlight are super important. For the nose, blend the contour on the bridge inward, and blend outwards around the tip and nostrils for a more natural finish. Use a bright, glowy blush in the center of your cheeks, nose tip, and chin, basically wherever you want to bring light to. Then I go in with a slightly deeper shade and lightly contour around the inner edges of my face. You don't need much, less is more. Then set certain areas with a translucent loose powder. For brows, follow your natural shape with a brow pencil, and add a few hair-like strokes at the front for that natural look. Darken the tail a bit, then finish off with some brow mascara to soften everything. For the eyes, use a warm orangey apricot shade as a base on both the top and bottom lids. Then go in with a deep brown and focus that on the outer corners, just a little at a time. Blend it up slightly past the crease to lift the eyes. Using whatever's left on the brush, softly deepen the eye socket. After deepening the lower lash line, use a dry finger to gently wipe off excess shadow on the lid so it's clean before applying double eyelid tape. Cut it into a shape that's narrow in the front and wider at the end. For eyeliner, use a deep brown to tight line. Since my lids are a little hooded, I draw it thicker than usual, then deepen the outer part of the lower lash line. For lashes, apply one with a soft droop at the outer corners. It gives that sleepy, soft vibe I love. Then stack another pair right above the real lashes for extra drama on camera. Now for the egg Yeoseok, draw it on, then highlight the inner corners and clean up the outer edge of the eyelid for that lifted effect. I love this pearly shimmer eyeshadow. It looks super luxe and expensive. Use a brown eyeliner to draw a few bottom lashes. Now I'm using a fine tip eyeliner to extend the inner corners slightly. Just a little flick toward the bridge of the nose to elongate the eyes and give that sharp, foxy look. Then draw a few little bottom lashes to make the eyes pop even more. Use contour powder to shape the nose tip again. Use a blush that matches your eyeshadow to keep the look cohesive. Line the lips to define the shape. Apply a mix of brown and beige lipstick for a soft neutral finish, and top it off with a clear gloss for that juicy look. Apply a little bit of highlighter on the high points of the cheeks, the nose bridge, chin, and the inner corners of the eyes. It gives your face that soft, glowy finish without going overboard. Apply a little bit on the inner eyes. And of course, don't forget the tiny beauty mark. Last step, a few spritzes of setting spray to lock everything in. And that's the finished look. Super soft, glowy, and sculpted, without being too much. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.